Now let's start with the first question. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals x by 3 plus 1 by 4. As we know, we have to bring variables to one side and constants to the other. X by 2 minus x by 3 equals 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 3x minus 2x is equals to LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 5 plus 4. 3x minus 2x is x by 6 equals 9 by 20. 2 tens are 2 threes are. X is equals to 27 by 10. Let's move to the second question. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals 21. Now, LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. So, 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equals to 21. Now, 7n equals 21 into 12. N is equal to 21 into 12 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. N is equals to 36. Now, third question. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Now, x minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 7 by 1. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 6x minus 16x plus 15x is equal to 17 minus 42 by 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. We'll have 5x equals to minus 25, where x is equals to minus 5. Next, let's move on to the fourth question. X minus 5 by 3 equals x minus 3 by 5. Here, we can split the equations like x by 3 minus 5 by 3 equals x by 5 minus 3 by 5. When we take LCM of this equation, we'll get the original equation. So it's the same. Now, constants to one side, variables to the other. X by 3 minus x by 5 is equals to minus 3 by 5 plus 5 by 3. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 5x minus 3x is equal to LCM of 3 and 5 is 15 minus 9 plus 25. 15 and 15 will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 8. Next, fifth question. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 equals 2 by 3 minus t. Here we split the equation. 3t by 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 2t by 3 minus 3 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Then 3t by 4 minus 2t by 3 plus t by 1 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 3. LCM is 12. So 9t minus 8t plus 12t by 12 is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 12 by 12. Cancel 12 and 12. 13t is equal to 26. T is equal to 2. Let's move on to the sixth question. m minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Here we have m minus of m by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus m by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now m minus m by 2 plus 1 by 2, because minus of minus is plus, equal to 1 minus m by 3 plus 2 by 3. Now m minus m by 2 plus m by 3 equals 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 6. So 6m minus 3m plus 2m by 6 is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 3 by 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 6m minus 3m is 3m. 3m plus 2m is 5m is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So m is equals to 7 by 5. Now, seventh question. 3 into t minus 3 equals 5 into 2t plus 1. Now, here we have to multiply 3 with 3t minus 3. So, it becomes 3t minus 3 3 is 9, that is equal to 5 into 2t plus 5 into 1 is 5. So 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Three t minus 10t equals 5 plus 9 minus 7t equals 14, and t is equals to minus 2. Next, let's move on to the eighth question. Fifteen into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. So what we can do? Same thing. Multiply the outside within brackets. So 15y minus 15 into 4 is 60 minus 2y minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18 plus 5 into y is 5y plus 5 into 6 is 30 equal to 0. Now subtract all the variables. 15y minus 2y plus 5y, that is equal to 18y minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 is equals to minus 12 equal to 0. Now 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 18. Y is equal to 2 by 3. Now, ninth question. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Now 3 5s are 15 minus 3 7s are 21. 15z minus 2 9s are 18z minus of minus plus 2 into 11 22. 4 8s are 32z minus 4 into 13 is 52 and minus 17. Now all the variables, 15 minus 18 is minus 3z, minus 21 plus 22 is plus 1 equal to 32z, minus 52 minus 17 is minus 69. Now 32z plus 3z equal to 1 plus 69. 35z is equal to 70. Z is equals to 2. Now 10th question, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Here 0.25 into 4 is 1f minus 0.25 into 3 is 0.75 is equals to 0.05 into 10 is 0.5f minus 0.05 into 9 is 0.45. 1f minus 0.5f is equals to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. 1f minus 0.5f, 0.5f is equal to 0.3. So f will be equal to 0.3 by 0.5, that is equal to 0.6.